Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to install macOS Sonoma on unsupported Macs. Just know that before you begin, make sure to back up all your data using Time Machine or another method. Firstly, on a supported Mac, open the App Store. Search for macOS Sonoma and click Get. Now once the installer downloads, it will automatically launch. Just quit it. Go to Applications and confirm the install macOS Sonoma file is there. Now visit the OpenCore Legacy Patcher GitHub page and click Getting Started and download the latest version of the patcher. Now connect a USB drive and open Disk Utility. Select the USB drive, then click Erase and format it as macOS Extended and name it Sonoma. Now launch the OpenCore Legacy Patcher and click Build OpenCore and follow the instructions. If unsure of your Mac model, go to Apple menu, then About this Mac. After building, go to Install OpenCore, then select the USB drive you just formatted. The tool will use the Sonoma installer to create a bootable USB drive. Just once done, eject the USB drive and plug it into the supported Mac. Restart the Mac and hold down the Option key during boot. Choose the USB stick as the startup disk, and when macOS Utilities appears, select Install macOS Sonoma and follow the on-screen steps. And now you've installed macOS Sonoma on an unsupported Mac using OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.